Where are the cookies, Jayla? Where are they?
She's getting pissed.
Are they done yet?
No.
No? How much longer? How much time is left? Are they almost done?
Yeah.
Oh. What does that mean? Are the cookies done?
No.
No? You look in there. You peek. See if they look like they're done. Are they done?
No.
No? Grandma's oven is just singing, huh? No. You're gonna move your chair so Mama can check the cookies?
Yeah.
Come over by Grandma, because it's hot. Can you say hot?
Yeah, they're really not done
Say
yet.
hot.
Back up. Go
Come
see
here,
Grandma.
honey.
Go see Grandma.
It's hot. Come over by Grandma. Come here. Oh. Oh. You stay here. It's hot. Yeah. You sit on Grandma's lap. There you go. Go see Mama. She can lift you up to see the cookies.
Oh boy, that just keeps going, doesn't it? Hot. Yep. What are those? Cookies? Don't touch, that's hot.
Are they done now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I eat one yet? I can?
Are they hot or hot?
Hot?
Oh no!
No. Should we blow on one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want one now? Me too. We'll cool one off, okay?